as the sun comes up over Panama City. I believe I will just go and do some fishing in St. Andrews Bay. Here we are at a roadside park right here on St. Andrews Bay, right on Highway 98, overlooking the bay and underneath the bridge. As we try our luck, we have a few good bites, and they gobble up my nice copper shrimp. And here's the remains of another shrimp. Well, better luck next time. Let's go do some lunch, and then maybe we'll go back and do a little bit of swimming pool, and always my favorite, Captain Anderson's. And that would be the end of a good day here at Panama City. Thank you for stopping by today and enjoy our channel. And please remember to hit subscribe. It will cost you nothing. Also, ring the bell and hit the like button if you would, but we appreciate it greatly.